Hello, I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate you completing the Starting Nonprofit tutorial series. They are intended to walk you through the steps to starting a 501c3 nonprofit organization from scratch. This video message focuses on step number 6, which teaches you how to write quantitative goals. Quantitative goals provide the measurable outputs nonprofit professionals establish as a measure of successful program implementation. An example of a quantitative goal is ABC organization plans to enroll 20 students in the summer reading program. So when you see 20 students, you know that is a tangible quantitative goal. That is the output that this program is supposed to generate. Grant funders, will list their quantitative goals in the request for proposal announcements that they use to let nonprofit organizations know that they have grant money available. So they may tell you, or they will tell you in the request for proposal, the quantitative goals that they desire. Now, more than likely, they won't use the words quantitative goals. More than likely, they will use the word outputs because they're looking for tangible outputs. Some even phrase it this way. They even say things like, what is the return on investment that we can expect in terms of outputs? So they're asking you, if we give you $10,000, what are the tangible outputs we can expect from that investment? So you have to be prepared to share that. If you are enrolling people in a program, it is always best to say we plan to enroll, not we will enroll, so that you can have a little bit of wiggle room when or if you do not meet the quantitative goals or outputs that you establish. So this section again teaches you how to write your quantitative goals. You should only write 3 unless the request for proposal demands that you write more. I would stick to 3 good quantitative measurable goals. Again, I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. I started a 501c3 nonprofit organization in 2006. I offered 2 programs underneath my organization over a 10-year period. Although I don't offer any programs right now, I still have my 501c3 status because I file my Form 990N e-postcard every year indicating that I didn't generate any revenues, but I would like to keep my status just in case I decide to offer programs again in the future. I've earned 3 nonprofit management certificates, one from Duke University, one from Wake Forest University, and one from Winthrop University. I'm also a 3-time graduate of Winthrop University. I earned a Bachelor of Science degree in Business Administration, a Master of Arts in Teaching Business Education, and a Master of Business Administration degree. I teach in-person nonprofit classes and I also offer online nonprofit classes. I complete the Form 1023 application for recognition of exemption for clients across the country. So as you go through these tutorials, if you decide that you just do not want to go through the process of completing the application packet yourself, please visit my website at www.trustsusanwoods.com. Click on the reserve consultation link and let's talk about your 501c3 vision and the programs you would like to offer. Thank you again for participating in the Starting Nonprofits tutorial. I really appreciate your time. In this tutorial, we focused on step 7, which is writing the bylaws. So thank you so much. If you have any questions, please feel free again to visit my website at www.trustsusanwoods.com or send me a text message at 704-968-2769. Finally, once again, if you just want me to do all the work for you, I'm happy to do it. Just go to my website, click on the reserved consultation link, and let's get started. I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time.